Suna Mekke. Another round of applause. Applause, ladies and gentlemen. Standing strong in the face of adversity. Yay, Vinaka Papua New Guinea. Okay. All right, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, we started off with Vanuatu and then we headed to the Solomon Islands. And then Vanuatu again, and you just witnessed the dance there. Now, Suna Mekke by Papua New Guinea, and then we're going to head back to the Solomon Islands. Speaking of the Solomon Islands, we've got Solomon Airlines. All right, Solomon Airlines, please sing out, wave to me. We'd love to know where you are. Where's your stall, Solomon Airlines? Where? Right at the far, right at the back there. Okay, so they're waving. Okay, hi Solomon Airlines. So don't forget to go and check out their stall for some good deals. Okay, if you're planning to travel to the Solomon Islands, Solomon Airlines are there. Okay. Now we'd also love to acknowledge our sponsors. Pacifica Art Center. Give it up for Pacifica Art Center. Come on, everybody. Vinaka. All right. Creative New Zealand Arts Council of New Zealand. Toi Aotearoa. Vinaka. And also the Seed to Harvest Group, all the way from Tauranga that you saw earlier. Seed to Harvest Group. Vinaka. Okay. Now don't forget our restrooms are to the left of the stage, on the other side. All right, so for family that have just arrived and are wondering, where are the restrooms? So the restrooms are over there, okay, behind the club rooms. Okay, and in the event of an evacuation, our assembly point is by the train station on the other side, okay? All right, and it's a smoke-free and alcohol-free event. So if you see anyone smoking and drinking on the grounds, just kindly tell them, go to your tambu. Okay, don't bring it here. All right, just take it back home. Okay, and if you're gonna drink, don't drive. All right, and don't sleep behind the wheel as well. So, Mao boys, but before we call on the Mao boys, Sassy, Backspeeders and Sassy, she's going to be gracing the stage this afternoon. She's giving me 2 t-shirts to give away and 1 to wear. All right, I'll wear that later. So, who can tell me one of Sassy's songs? Who knows one of Sassy's songs? Okay, you? Yeah, come on up, sister. Come on. Tell me. Come and tell us. Oh, she's shy. Look at her. She's hiding. All right. Anyone else? Anyone? Yeah? Oh, okay. We've got a young lady sitting on the ground here. Yeah. Do you know one of Sassy's songs? Come on. Yes, come on. Come on up, sister. Don't be shy. I've got another one to give away, okay? You tell us your name and your village, okay? And the Sassy song that maybe it's your favorite.
Hi, my name is Sina and I'm from Waikato. And one of the jazzy song is Solwara Mary. Yeah. Thank you. Is it right?
Yeah. We've got the middle first.
No, thank you.
Racial oppression in Waikato.
Thank you.
Hey, Sina, where do you hail from? Your village?
I'm from Tana, where the volcano is, and it's a tourist island. Thank you.
There you go. Congratulations. Thank you, Sina. Give it up for Sina. Okay. All right. And you might want to Google another one of Sassy's songs because I've got another t-shirt to give away. Okay. All right. Now, we are going to go up to the Village Green Mao Boys. Come on, give it up for Mao Boys. Auntie Flori, take it to Mas. Yay, the Mao dance. Traditional dance originating from Toba ethnic group in North Malaita. And it's performed during ceremony known as Mauma, which are deeply spiritual and aims to honor and praise the ancestral gods for their blessings and protection over the tribe and clan. So give it up for the Mao Boys.
Yeah, 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 yeah.